I'm Angela Gamble, and I'm one of the people from Delta here today. I have the pleasure of serving the in-flight cabin crews with technology.
Jeff Landowski. I run tech strategy for Sysco, the food provider, not the other one.
I'm Dr. Brian Laughlin, technical fellow for the Boeing company, BR&T. I do a lot of Boeing research and technology, work on digital transformation and heavy in advanced visualization.
James Del Rossi, work for Dow Chemical. I'm a senior innovation manager for them, so I focus on all the hardware, infrastructure, software, wearable technology vetting for the company, focused on manufacturing and logistics.
And I'm Anthony Hartke. I'm the VDC manager for Turner's Mid-North region, Turner Construction. VDC, if you don't know what that means, basically it's anything is technology, but not IT.